Firstly, let's work on the sealing side of this amazing product, OB1, the original, the best and the number one, tried and tested for 15 years on the marketplace. So we're going to work on the sealing side of this product. Firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how fluent it is, how smooth it is to apply. Secondly, the product can be stacked up to 50 mil, like so, and will not sag or drop or fall. Next thing about it is the fact that it contains no solvents. It's very user friendly, very easy to work with. For example, so easy to spread. It can be used as the ultimate filler. It can be painted, structured, used indoors, outdoors. When we say it stays flexible when it cures, this is the way it cures. It cures in a flexible state, so therefore fluctuates with the external weather conditions and changes in climate. No solvents inside of it, no smell. SIG approved, EC1 approved, indoor air emissions approved, and so on.